pointing to the tree. Good job. Wait, look around, and where do you see winter trees? I see that one. Okay. Where else? Okay, that one. And how do you know they're winter trees?
Because the leaves have fallen out.
The leaves have fallen. So tell me, is this tree asleep or is it awake?
Asleep.
It's asleep. What do we call sleeping trees?
Dormant.
Hold on. What?
Dormant.
Dormant. They're dormant trees. That's okay because they're sleeping. Now, conifer trees are trees like this one right here that's green. That one, is it dormant? No, it's not dormant. It's still awake. So our deciduous trees are dormant right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a picture of a dormant deciduous tree. Is our tree going to have leaves?